Well, we're cleaning fence rows a little different today. Gotta get some limbs that I can't reach from the ground. There's not even that many of them, but I cannot get them from the damn ground, so got the basket on the forks. That'll get in the bucket, but I don't do heights. I want to stand on something that's flat, and I have walls, and I'm not getting in the fucking bucket, so I got the basket. But this is the job that I was going to do last weekend, and then it ended up snowing Sunday, so we cut firewood instead. And my helper's going to be right behind, so I just got to go get the limb chipper hooked up and head that away. Got about a 7-mile drive, so pitter patter, let's get at her. Well, here we are. Like I say, there's not even really a whole lot to cut. It's just you can't get any of it from the damn ground. So got Ron driving the tractor. We'll start at the top of the hill and then back down and grab the chipper and back up the hill and chip it and hopefully get out of here because the ground ain't quite froze. I was hoping it would be. And then we got Rip. What you doing, Rip? That's Ron's dog, not mine. Little Aussie, he's kind of a crackhead. Okay, I saw dogs over there. I was like, well, shit. And I got the basket ratchet strapped to the fork, so you can't dump me off in theory. Want to guarantee that? That's good. done cleaning fence rows for the season. This was the last one I wanted to dink with. Got the back there was where we started, where them limbs were overhanging. I had to get in the basket, and this tree had fallen down, was hanging clear the hell out here over the field, so we just chunked that up and threw it in a pile. And it's a little wet down here, and I don't want to get somewhere where I can't get back out. It's just kind of a hill. But got that cleaned up. There's a couple limbs I knocked where that dog leg goes back around the corner, and we're gonna call it a season. So now the 1600 can go in for surgery, and I can figure out why the 3.0 worky. Now actually that's a lie. It works, but it won't stop working. It wants to keep going up. So sorry, it's kind of a boring video. There just wasn't really a whole lot to show. I almost considered just scrapping the whole thing completely, but I figured I got a little bit of footage. I might as well just throw the thing up and give you guys something to watch. So like I say, sorry it was kind of a boring one, but this is kind of the wrap up to the fence line cleaning anyhow, so I guess it makes sense to just put this one up since we began the process, and this is the end of the process. So I guess I'm gonna get home and get everything put away and probably take the rest of the day off until I gotta go to work. So that's it for this one. We'll catch y'all on the next one.